In this video, we will talk about arterial system. But before moving into detail, let's understand the concept of vasculogenesis and angiogenesis and difference between them. Any of the student who can recall details of embryonic disc from our video on human embryology?
Yes, Professor. This is a cross-sectional view of embryonic disc. So, this is ectoderm. This is mesoderm. And this is endoderm. While this is lateral mesoderm. So during the third week of development, in the lateral plate mesoderm, mesoderm has some changes. It forms other layer called as angioblast that will form the heart tube. That will be explained later. And inner area, called as hemocytoblast.
Class, do you know? What is vasculogenesis and angiogenesis?
Sir, vasculogenesis is the formation of new blood vessels from cells that were not blood vessels before. As if by magic, blood cells and vessels appear in the early embryo.
And sir, angiogenesis is the development of new blood vessels from existing vessels.
Yes, both of you are right. Let's apply the concept of vasculogenesis here. Now, these angioblasts combine and then join to form new blood vessel. It's a new blood vessel. It has not been generated from existing blood vessel. So angioblasts will build the blood vessels. These are hemocytoblast. Hemocytoblast will form all the blood cell types, such as red blood cell or white blood cells.
So, sir, it means vasculogenesis is the formation of new blood vessels from cells that were not blood vessels before. Like, if a new road is built where there was no road before. This is called as vasculogenesis.
Angiogenesis is the development of new blood vessels from existing vessels. Endothelial cells detach and proliferate to form new capillaries. Like, if more roads are built from the existing road. This is called as angiogenesis.
Yes, you are right. Next step is the embryonic folding. It's normal development process of the embryo. Moving forward. So in the next step, there is formation of endocardial tube or heart tube. And this is pericardial cavity. The heart tube consists of endocardium, myocardium, and cardiac gelli. Now, if we move out heart tube, it will look like this. Let me give them different colors, so that I can explain how many parts are there in heart tube. This is truncus arteriosus. This is bulbus cordis. This is primitive ventricle. This is primitive atrium. This is sinus venosus. This is heart tube at day 22. Bulbus cordis will bend in this direction, while primitive ventricle will move into opposite direction. Heart tube begin to bend at day 23 and stops at day 28. Now this is heart tube at day 29. You can see the junction between the bulbus cordis and ventricle by the presence of the bulboventricular sulcus. Now, this is truncus arteriosus. This is bulbus cordis. This is ventricle and this is left atrium. Now, moving forward. The sinus venosus comprises the inflow to the primitive heart tube. It means sinus venosus comprises the inflow to heart at early stage. So, sinus venosus comprises the inflow to heart at early stage. So, this area comprises the outflow. And this side is arterial end. And this side is venous end. So this was all. In our next video we will talk about the thoracic aorta of the embryo.
Upgrade your medical education with sqadia.com. The ultimate online video platform tailored for medical students and professionals.